Hi guys, today we are going to see about template concept in Django. First of all, what is a template? Template guys, we can write inside the template is nothing but a folder. This is a folder in Django. We need to create this folders in the and we can write HTML code inside the template folders. Okay guys, where we need to create these folders inside the main project folders. Okay guys, we'll see one code. See, we are creating on the new project. Project name is Django 10. See, just how to create Django admin start project template pro. Okay, and we will create a new application. Application name is tester. Manager.py. I start a tester. See guys, sorry, spelling mistake is there somewhere. See, file manager.py start a tester. Oh, sorry. There you create the you create here a project. Okay, so we need to move and need to change the directory. Okay, so you should have entered in this directory. Okay, then you can run the this command. Now it's created and I clear the screens. Go and open the PyCharms. So PyCharms one folder is key. Okay, guys. See. And check it's running or not. Let's just start the servers. Okay, just 5 manager py answer. This port number is came means this our application is running successfully. Go on the Chrome and check it. See. Okay, guys, and now just to create one URLs application levels. Go in the project levels URLs. Yes, and creating. See. Path. Just have here home. Visitor. Sorry, include application name test tab URLs. Okay, guys, just this include is available inside the URLs this packet. Okay, just okay. Now go inside the application levels folders. Inside the way to create one more files. Files name is URLs. Okay, there from Django.urls import. Okay, guys, in URL patterns. This is syntax, so you should have to remember all these things. Okay, in the path. Okay, just I'm tapping empty, nothing. Okay, empty. Okay, fine. And here's dot home view. Okay, guys, home view dot edge underscore view. Name is equal to find this view is available somewhere. Where is view? From test tab, import. Okay, guys, test tab is there and spelling is right here. Guys, from test tab inside the VC, server is running or not carefully. Test tab that you are just go and we start again. We'll check it's running or not properly. Yeah, it's writing some errors, guys. Okay, errors is what? See, attribute to model inside home views is not defined. Yeah, so because just not created there to go inside the view functions, it define the view class home child class of view. Okay, guys, return render request comma. Okay, guys, this view is available where from Django dot page dot generic import. See, this is spelling mistake from. Okay, guys, see. Okay, define one template name. This is our variables. Okay, inside the test app inside home.html. Okay, guys, this is okay. Yes, return renders. So inside we can't define directly inside the view function. We need to write the method. Which method? Get method is there. Okay, request. One parameter I am passing here. Right. Okay, it's fine up to here. Yeah. See now go in the console and see server is running okay, and go on the Chrome and go on the browsers and refresh. See, page not found error is okay because our path is something like home is there. Yeah. Okay. Home. Now saying template does not exist. Okay, because we didn't define the template here. Okay. Yeah, we didn't define template here, guys. Okay, so we should have to define a template. How can we define template? Already I said in the initially you need to create the template folders inside the application main application folders. Okay, see, this is our main application folders. Okay, inside there just go on the right click and create on the directory. Type here template. So guys, is okay. Fine. Templates you can type templates. Okay, include the s. Oh, name should be anything, so nothing but name, but recommended name should be there. Okay, templates. Okay, go inside the project folder, type here, this is template editor settings. Okay, the setting is there, template dir paste here inside. Guys, if you are not understanding on one time, then watch this video again, bro. Okay, guys. Okay, this is template related settings. Template related settings. Okay, and these things template dir is there. Go on the down here, just wait. Okay, and one more thing we should have to need to install the applications. Okay, what is our application name? Okay, guys, this is fine. Go and check again Go and reaching again. Again, raising some errors. Template not defined. Okay. What is path our trace tab inside the home.html? So, guys, go inside the template folders. Okay. Create one new directory. Name is our test. This is our application name. Okay. Inside this, we should have to create here what one HTML files like name it home. Go and check refresh here. So, yeah. See, something is coming now. Error is all okay. And type here. This is home page. Okay, guys. This is our home page. Okay. Just define here anything. Yeah. If you want, then you can define the color, style, background, color. You can define the red if you want then. Okay. See, color is came on the red. Okay, guys. See, this is very basic levels. Okay. Define here one H1. Welcome to our home page. See, this message is coming. Yeah. Okay. If you want, then you can put the centers. So that we need to use the Bootstrap here. How can we use Bootstrap? Just go on the Chrome and type here get Bootstrap. Get Bootstrap. This is official website of the Bootstrap. From here we can use the CDN. Okay. We'll use local in the letters. Not now. Just type here. Comment here. This is Bootstrap CDN. Okay, guys. See. Go and refresh here. See, something will change. See. Just duplicate this windows. See, change font size, change something. This is one type of CSS. This is Bootstrap is a framework of CSS. Okay, someone design and write the code. Okay, so don't do it. If you want this thing in the center, just go there and write here center type. See, this is working or not. See, this came in the centers. Okay, so guys. Put there one HR, okay. Horizontal line is there, okay. See come. If you want, then select the style, background, color, green. Can put here. Okay, guys. See. Something coming up. This is a settings of our templates. We can define like this. Okay, guys. This is. See. I didn't done anything right now. Just this is a project levels URLs configurations. You should have to know this is syntax. Okay. Yeah. Include this is closing edition, and this is our application level URLs. Okay, guys. See. This is defined call to the class level views. Okay. Generally in Django we can define two types, two way to view function. Okay, view. One is a function based view and another is a class based view. Okay. So we are continuing with a class based view. Okay. See, get method is there. Okay, all method is there. We can use letters. Okay, guys. See. Yeah, if you want to pass some data, how can we pass from there? We'll discuss later. So, yeah, guys. I think today is enough. We'll see next video. What we'll see next video? Template. See, type here. Guys, we'll discuss several things in later. If you guys are interested, then join with us and enjoy your days. Each and every doubt. If you are the freshers, This is good opportunity for you guys. Yeah, define letters. All these things will cover their full stack Django course. Okay, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, and the Python and Django. If you don't have knowledge in the Django, in the Python, don't worry. Basic knowledge is required. Will teach you, and in the upcoming already upload some video in the Pythons also, so you can access the Python access. You can access the playlist of the Python video. Okay, it works. If you have any query clarification needed, then just you can drop the message. In the inside the about my email ID is also mentioned that you can send the mail if you want any documents, any notes. Okay, guys. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you, guys.